Are you born in the year of the horse? Love and money are coming for you in 2023. Keep watching. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. If you are born in the year of the horse, 2023 bring a lot of opportunities to create more money, abundance, and most importantly, connect with your love. Of course, depends where the horse is located in. Stay until the end. I'm going to show you exactly what is happening for you in 2023. Allow me to share exactly what I'm talking about. So these are the stars that are orbiting in the space of the horse. The horse this year has excellent stars. It has two of my favorite. One is Sky Happiness. Sky Happiness talks about love, relationships, the opportunity to connect with people and open up your heart and heal that aspect on your life. Then we have the moon. The moon is the know-how, the ideas, the sudden opportunities to create something and make powerful changes in your life from there. So this year, the opportunities are there, the potential is there, the frequency is there, and yet you still have to activate it. So, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly where and how you're going to activate these energies. Then we have the person rope. The person rope will give you pressure, but of course, money, love together is going to be a lot of pressure. I'm just kidding. There's a lot of pressure because the person rope is an energy frequency that create this sense of never-ending cycles. It could come from situations, past memories, past destructive memories, situations that didn't close, so they keep coming back in cycles. So this year you have the chance to get rid of those memories, heal, and start fresh. Then you have the hook spirit, which also is connected to negative low vibrations from the cycle. So I'm going to show you how to break the chains and start new. Of course, if you are watching this video, it's because you know by now you are a horse. In case you don't, then you're born in any of these years, you belong to the horse in the year. But you may have in the month, day, and hour. So go to this link on the comment section, use the year, month, day, and hour birth, and plug your Bazi natal chart. And then you're ready, because it's important to know what frequencies are coming to us, because when these frequencies arrive in our space, it affects our personality, it affects our spirit, and affect the person. And when the spirit and the person get affected, the emotions get affected, therefore the actions get affected. So when the energy is positive, the actions are positive. When the energy is negative, the actions are also negative, or we don't have any action at all. So it's important to know what's coming, to be aware. So how we prepare ourselves by priming. What's priming? Priming is preparing, is reading the right books, getting the right mentors, the right coaches, the right guide, learning. We also use incantations. Incantations also used to prime ourselves, our mentality. We use PNL, we use visualization, we use mantras, we use prayers, we use meditations, and that's how we take action, that's how we activate. And also, of course, we use Feng Shui to support, to boost the energy in the space, on the space that we use. So I'm going to show you how that at the end. Because all this energy is spiritual. We are spirits. So every energy frequency that enter our space, our inner world, if affect our spirit, the person, the people. So in case you have the horse in the year pillar, so this system is called Bazi or a character. My favorite name is personal and spiritual Feng Shui. So if you have it in the year, then this year you may have the opportunity to connect with someone through a friend or in another country or far away, or someone from your industry. Or you may see a friend getting married, connecting with love, or being happy, or starting their own business. Or you can also start your own business, because remember, you have the money star, which is the moon, which connects you with the great chances to create more abundance and more life. So if you have the horse in the month, then maybe the opportunities to connect with someone, to connect with other soul, other being in relations with love, comes from your work, comes from someone that you know at work, or introduced by someone at work. It also could mean that you this year create a side gig job apart from your work, or in your work, you decided to go into another level and get more money, get another role, create an opportunity by starting your side gig, or so on. If you have the horse in the day, then this year is great to connect with other people, connect with love, maybe because you have the person rock and the hook spirit. Maybe this is the year for you to heal that aspect of yourself if you are stuck and want to connect and don't know why. Maybe you think about, maybe you have in the past some traumatic experiences that you are attached to. So this year is great for you to start fresh. Open up your heart chakra, release past memories, release from your energy space, from your aura, from your mind, from your space, even if you're not moving on and you want to move on and start fresh. Open up your heart. Maybe listen to meditation. I have one called soulmate meditation. You can do that one. You can activate love from that aspect. You can heal through forgive yourself, forgive other people. A lot of people get stuck, unable to move on with new people, because every person that comes to their life, they see it through the lens of reflection, reflecting insecurities, reflecting situations that happened in the past. Listen, no every people that come into our life, no every person will bring the same energy. No every person will teach us the same experience or will connect with us in the same way. So learn to open up your heart, let go, open the doors mentally, emotionally to other people to release, and start this year with the door open for new people to come. Because you have the start of happiness. So become happy. When you are happy, when you are free from pain, from guilt, from regrets, from drama, from traumatic experiences, then you will attract, will magnetize someone special. And you'll recognize when that person comes, because sometimes when we are hurt and someone comes with the intention, with the energy, we are blocked. So it's important that you are open and able to recognize. But first you have to heal the past, okay? Because the hook spirit is connecting you with cycles. So you don't want to cycle back to situations like that. So heal as fast as you can before the year starts for the water rabbit in February the 4th, and start building up your energy to connect with love. If you have also in the day, maybe if you're ready to propose, in case you already have someone special, maybe it's time to propose, to formalize, to get married, or accept the proposal, start a new life with a family. If you have the horse in the hour, Maybe it's the time for you to, if you've been trying to have a baby, maybe this year you visited by the happiness of a child. Maybe you have luck this year, okay? So that is all for the palaces and the stars. They are very powerful stars that you can activate and deactivate. Connect with them whenever you need. So from now on, I'm going to show you exactly the space where the horse is located in, where you can activate these stars. So draw your floor plan, put it on a PowerPoint, print it if you want. Download my book. It's a free guide that you can just download, follow the step, and learn how to apply Feng Shui for 2023 and beyond. Because this location for the horse, it exists in any house. So wherever you go, the horse is in the south. So this is something that you can apply for ever. So what do you do in the south? Make sure that that sector is an usable sector. It's not filled with garbage. It's not filled with destructive energy, because it will take you to the low vibration energy. Make sure that if you renovate this year, you select appropriate date, because in Feng Shui, day selection is a very serious subject. So we have to select the dates that we're gonna start the renovation. Make sure there's no missing sector, because if you're missing the sector south in your home, you're not happy in the house. All the other good Feng Shui aspects of the home, you're not gonna get the benefits. So it's important for you to have that sector very usable. Maybe a desk, maybe a place you can meditate, you can use to work, or at least it's a space that is fluent. Maybe if you have a window there, open it once in a while, clear the space, and make sure the energy there is vibrant. So remember, this is the stars that the hosts have. And for this year, I created special activations through meditation. So after here, you're gonna go to the next video, which is the meditation incantations for the horse. And you can contact me after you finish. You can leave me a message. Let me know how was it. If you find this useful, please make sure to share. Make sure to subscribe, stay connected here in our like-minded individuals, angels of light, and share with family and friends. Maybe someone need to connect with their energy. This is personal Feng Shui. Is micro application of Feng Shui, very advanced and is very powerful. So make sure you use everything you learn here. I hope that you have enjoyed. Please leave me a comment. Hit the like that you want to see, and you and I will see each other in my next video.